Now, whilst I'm in the garage tonight doing pottering about, I'm going to show you a nice little quarter drive socket set. It's come from Halfords. It's a Halfords Advance. These have got lifetime warranty. It's a cracking little socket set. It goes from, where are we? But the camera's focusing on that. 3.5mm quarter. Up to 14. These sockets are lifetime guaranteed. Little adapter for Torx bits. And when I can read that. T40 is the biggest one. All the way down to T10. Got the Phillips bits, screwdrivers, Allen heads, assuming that's an 8. Yep, 8, 6, 5, 4 and 3, and then 2 screwdriver bits there. Spinny handle, medium extension and a wobbler. 30 quid. For a lifetime warranty for £30 and Halfords with your receipt, replace anything you break. But I'll be brutally honest, I've had Halfords Advanced tools before and so far I've never ever broken anything. I've lost a few sockets and I just go and replace them because they're so good. I'm not a full-time technician. Everything you see me working on is my own. So the tools aren't worked extremely hard. When I do work them, I work them. But as I say, never broken anything. I've got quarter and actually I'll dig it out. This is their big bird. This is their big kit. Oh, let's move them bloody shoes out of the way. Move one thing, everything else falls over in this workshop at the moment. So, let's get some light. This has got 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17 in ratcheting spanners, long quarters, long 3/8. All the spanners are individually sized, all the way 8, 9, all the way down till you get to 19. And then there's a few extra bits in here. We've got imperial sockets up this side, metric, they're quarter, they're 3/8. Running into 1/2 inch from 20mm up to 32, 23, 21, 19 and 17 impact. Reverse Torx, Allen, more Allen Torx in there, quarter, 3/8, 1/2 inch ratchet. It's a good kit. But sometimes when you're working on the bikes or you're doing something small, you don't need the whole kit, but it's another highly recommended kit. When they're on offer in Halfords, they're £100. Well, that one was when I bought it. I've had it about 5 years. So the only thing I've ever lost, 7mm socket. Lost that a couple of weeks ago. I replaced it this weekend when I bought the other little quarter drive set. So that set comes very highly recommended.